Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome to Chaos and Her Nails. I am Paula, aka Chaos, and in today's video, that's right, we're doing some cherry blossom nails. Why are we doing cherry blossom nails? Because I am ready for spring, and nothing screams spring more than cherry blossom trees. Now, I've never done a cherry blossom nail in my life before. This is the first time I've attempted it, and I think it came out pretty good. So, I'm going in with Purple Professionals Be Creative, and this one here that I'm putting on right now is Ugly Ducklings number 069. But if you don't have those two specific colors, it's fine. Use what you have. I personally wish I would have used number 244 because I find that number 69 from Ugly Duckling is really, really sheer when you're putting it on, and I'm like, for this particular look, I'm not into it. Plus, like, I think 244 has more of like a nude quality to it, which was what I really wanted in the first place. But unfortunately, I didn't have any, and I don't have any local suppliers that sell Ugly Duckling products, so I have to order all of my products. And by the time I ordered it, it would have been even longer, and I really wanted to get this video out. So we're going to work with what we have. Basically, all I'm doing for the background is I'm putting down one side of the teal, one side of the nude, blending them together to kind of create a gradient background between the two. And I'm going to do that to all of the nails. And I'm going to sort of skip ahead, and I'll catch you guys in a minute. And we're back. Oh, I decided to show you guys after what the products were called. Okay. So the background is done, and I think that, like, I'll be honest, that part of the design is what took the longest to do. Like, this design is super quick. I'm using Chaun Legend. I think it said Bite Me, and it's basically the only brown I have. I really need to get more browns, but I'll be honest, I don't use them a lot, so I don't like. I basically only will buy, like, when I buy my colors, I buy what people request. So for example, if somebody wanted a set of brown nails, then, like, that's the reason why I bought the brown, like, because somebody wanted a set of brown nails. So it's like, okay, and now I have it and I continue to use it. But, like, I don't just buy random colors. I mean, I shouldn't say I don't buy random colors. I do. That's a lie. But there's just certain colors I work with more. Like, for example, I don't work with browns. I don't work with a lot of gold. So I don't have a lot of gold stuff either. But yeah, anyway, sorry. I didn't mean to go on rambling. Okay, so now I'm doing, like, the tree branch, right? And honestly, I'm doing this, like, this is super simple. So I'm just taking the liner brush, and a lot of people work with a long liner brush. I can't work with it. I find the long liner brushes are too chaotic for me. They're too chaotic even for chaos. Or maybe I'm just too much chaos for the brush. I don't know. But yeah, like, you're not doing straight lines because branches are not straight lines. You're just kind of go with whatever I the best way I can describe it is, like, you go with, like, however your hand moves. Like, this one here is going to kind of branch off into two. Like, branches are, like, one of the easiest things because they're not perfect. And I love when things are not perfect because Well, that's basically my motto, imperfection. And I'm just kind of like, what I'm doing is I'm going in from different angles. So each nail will have a branch coming off from a different side, a different position, just to kind of give it, you know, its own unique style. Even though like, because like I'm basically doing the same design on all the nails, but just because I'm doing the same design doesn't mean that it has to have the same composition, I guess you can say. And like even the gradients of the nails is different on each nail too. And like, when you order a nail like this, like when you order a set of nails like this, they're going to come out different every time because, it's just there's certain things that are difficult to replicate. But obviously like they're going to come out, similar. It's kind of like when you do oh, what's it called? Um, oh, I can't think of it right now, of course. It'll come to me, I swear. The hardest part I think I had in doing these nails was um, the flowers, and only because I haven't done flowers in so long that I actually forgot. And I had a brain fart on like how to do flowers, and so I struggled a little bit in the beginning, and then I was like, oh yeah, okay, keep it simple, and I just kind of went with it. But I'm basically going to be doing the same thing on this hand here, creating the branches. So I'm going to skip ahead and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Okay, tree branches are done. Now we're going to go in with the Unicorn Dory by Purple Professional, and we're going to create the flower petals. I'm going to spare you the torture of watching me try to figure out how to get these flowers done, because honestly, like I watched it before I did the voiceover and I just really annoyed myself. So I'm gonna just like skip ahead until we got things moving along. Okay, we're back. I finally decided to just stick with the dotting tool because I feel like that is your best friend if you're making flowers and you don't make them a lot. And I think that they came out pretty cute. So, you know, kind of looks like when I see flowers done like that, it kind of looks like a splat. If like somebody were to draw like a splat on a piece of paper. But like it looks like that, and then when you add like the center, it kind of changes the look again. So I don't know, I think it's kind of cool how this stuff gets created. I'm going to fast forward this part too, just because I don't want this video to be super long. I'm going to fast forward, but I'm not gonna like do like a super speed. Like I'm gonna just fast forward so that you can see what's happening, but don't have to like sit through. You know what I mean? So yeah. And we're back. I did finally find my groove. Yay! One thing I notice about myself is like small detail work. I don't know if it's like something in my brain, but like whenever I'm doing like small detail work, it's like I can't stop moving my leg. And that is like a problem because it makes me shake. And then like I can't do the detail work. But if I don't shake, it's like I can't seem to focus enough on the detail to get it done. So like if I'm in a situation where I can't shake my leg for whatever reason, I'm just not going to do it. I'm going to be like, nope, I pass. Weird fun fact about me. I mean, I think I've mentioned it before, but I do think I have some form of neurodivergent brain because I don't feel like it's right. And I don't mind it for the most part, but it does prevent me from doing a lot of stuff. Um, yeah. Like for example, I've wanted to start a YouTube video long, long time ago, but like I never did. But like I bought all of the stuff I needed. I bought a camera, I bought my supplies, I bought like backdrops, I bought whatever it was that I needed because I had different ideas of what kind of videos. Oh, we're going in with number 287, which is Ugly Duckling's neon pink. But yeah, I had bought so many things to use over the years, and I never started. It was always like, yeah, I'm gonna do YouTube, yeah, I'm gonna do YouTube, and all of that stuff just sat there collecting dust. Like, and the camera that I bought, which was a good camera at the time, well, technology sure changes fast because I couldn't use that camera anymore. So yeah, oh yeah, and the neon pink, we're using it for the center. I think I mentioned that. If I didn't, well, I mean, if I did, I'm mentioning it again because I can't remember. And I'm just gonna do a little dabby dabby in the center. And I think it just kind of makes the flower itself pop because the flower is like a more of a pastel-y kind of color. And I think like the neon just kind of draws your eye. Look how pretty. I'm using two different sizes of dotting tools because for the thumb, the flowers are a lot bigger and I feel like they need like a bigger center. But like the rest of the nails are pretty small, so I just used my smaller tool. But yeah, I mean, this is pretty much it. As you can see, it was pretty easy to do. Um, like I think that this is a very beginner friendly nail design, but like it looks really cute. Very springy, very cool. I love it. So if you guys liked what you saw here today, give me a like, give me a subscribe. And we're going to add a layer of top coat, which I'm not going to subject you to. But we will catch you on the flip side. Later.